I won the lottery. That statement creates thoughts of the Mega Millions or Powerball. However, the lottery in today's discussion is totally different. The odds in getting an H-1B are a lot higher. Welcome everyone to the Ray Law International channel. I'm Anthony Ray, one of the immigration attorneys here at Ray Law International. Thank you for joining us today. Let's find out how to play the H-1B lottery game and what to do if you're not selected. Ready? Let's get started. The H-1B lottery helps the U.S. determine how many people will be able to enter the country as a non-immigrant specialty occupation worker. There is a cap on the number allowed each year. When you are selected in this H-1B cap lottery, you may scream with excitement. That is because there can be over 200,000 applications for only 85,000 spots. Nevertheless, if you are not selected, you do have some options. The first option is to go back to school and become an F1 student. Some types that come to mind are CPT, OPT, and OPT STEM. In some instances, this will allow you the ability to work while studying. While working, you may discover an employer willing to sponsor you, and they can continue to submit your name for entry in the H-1B cap lottery. Another option for citizens of Chile and Singapore, they have the H-1B1. This H-1B visa category does not carry dual intent and must be renewed every 2 years instead of 3 years. You may also search for work with an H-1B cap exempt employer. These employers tend to be universities or nonprofit organizations affiliated with universities. The TN visa is an alternative option for Mexican and Canadian citizens. The TN visas are readily available and versatile in the way they can be obtained. Definitely look into this visa category if you are from the North or the South. For Australian citizens, it may be beneficial to look into the E3 visa. The E3 visa allows you to enter and have access to several extensions while waiting on completion of the permanent residency process if you really want to make the U.S. your home. Additionally, you may obtain a job with an affiliated company abroad for more than 1 year within the last 3 years in a specialized skill area, preferably more than 1 year to prove the specialized skill. This visa category is called the L1B Intra-Company Transferee Visa and will allow you to enter and work in the U.S. for up to 5 years. Executives and managers will utilize the L1A visa category. If you are a spouse of an H-1B visa holder, you may also have the option to switch to an H-4. However, if your spouse is not in a certain phase of the green card process, the H-4 visa holder will be able to stay in the U.S. but will not be able to work. Finally, are you a person of extraordinary ability? The O1 is a visa you may want to explore. Aren't we all extraordinary, Anthony? Well, there are some guidelines, so check with us and we'll let you know. These visa types may sound confusing, but I am here to help you. Now, more than ever, it's important that you have an immigration attorney involved throughout your immigration journey. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with friends and everyone who needs an immigration expert. Did you subscribe? Great! Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time. See ya.